Hello. Welcome to Michael's Medicinal Market. How may I? Oh, it's you. What is it, Corey?
Buenos días, Miguel. Yo quiero un burrito carne asada con salsa verde y crème sour.
I see. And why would I sell burritos here?
Aquí es una franquicia de tacos de... No.
No, it's not. And can you stop with the Spanish? Your accent is clearly terrible. I mean, terrible.
Orale. Ich hab meine Mut. Oh, fine. I'll stick with English. Anyhow, are you sure this isn't a tacos day? I was told that they opened a new one here in Los Angeles.
Corey, you've been here several times before, remember? The troll bots. The New Year's greeting. You're no stranger to this location, so why would you?
Hey, those are some fine episodes of the XtraNormal boys. Why don't you all watch them after this one? The writing crafts is simply.
Ben, what the hell?
You're not supposed to enter for 2 more pages, bro, and that endorsement isn't even on the script.
Sorry, my fellow Ethiopians, sometimes I just get so excited.
Just bugger off and wait for your cue.
Okay, I'll do that now. Whoop whoop woo.
Right. So, where did we leave off?
Oh yeah. Ahem. You're no stranger to this location, so why would you come to such a conclusion? I mean, look around you. Does any part of this location remind you of a burrito place? This is clearly just me living my dream job one step at a time.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Too much blue flooring. Blue's an appetite suppressant, you know? Bad for business. You should change that.
For the last time, I'm not a damn Tacos Day franchise.
Are you sure? The email said.
Email? What email? From whom?
Whom hat?
Fair pistique, Ben.
I wanted to know of a good burrito place in Los Angeles, so I figured Shte could help.
Stay form. Of course. Who else would go to such lengths to troll me?
So, you don't even have any nachos?
No. Well, I mean I have some tortilla crisps back in the office, but they way stale. Oh, what a surprise, Ben's here.
Hey Corey, it's too hot to wait outside in the car. Man, this place has good air conditioning for a burrito joint. Did you get my order in? I wanted to change it from chicken to quinoa.
Apparently they don't serve burritos here anymore. It's just a medical place.
It was never a burrito place. Jesus. Look, Ben, I could understand Corey falling for the troll, but you're more cunning than that.
I had my suspicions, but I was just so damn hungry.
He has some tortilla chips in the back.
Yes, but...
Dibs. Mine.
I'm fairly certain they expired during the Reagan presidency.
Don't care. About to get some serious nomming up in here.
Okay then. So, Corey, how goes it?
Can't complain. I get to go paintballing every now and then, so life is good.
Right on. Business here is also going well, even without the tasty Mexican food. I've been able to indulge my hobby of Asler's chaps collecting. I now have the 3rd largest collection in the Pacific time zone.
Really? I'm surprised you'd have that much contemplation.
Competition.
Shut up, Ben.
Love you too, Corey.
So what's Ben up to these days?
Oh, you know. The usual stuff. Last week he punched a McLaren in the engine block and disabled it.
And he didn't get in trouble? That sounds both highly dangerous and illegal.
You know how it is with you British types. You all just say fancy words and get out of any sticky situation.
Very true. I find that my accent allows me to possess an unrivaled element of charm. My voice alone can disarm even the most indefatigable defenses. Ladies.
I thought you were.
Holy crap, that's a lot of assless chaps.
Did you find the crisps?
Yes, all kinds of noshing is going down back here.
Cool. Hey, Corey, watch as I triple flip over this counter, then we can chill in the waiting room.
What? Oh, cool. 1, 2, 3 he flips and he sticks it.
Come, let us lounge by the Zen garden.
For shizzle. Where did you learn those tricks?
My darling kitten Sikwa taught them to me in a dream once. I tried it out in real life, and now look at me. They've offered me a place at the next Summer Olympics.
Cool. Are you going to go?
Probably not. I have an important prototype matter replicator project I'm working on in the backroom, and that requires most of my attention. Also, I'm 99.723% certain that the Olympic invitation was yet another troll from XtraNormal.
What makes you say that?
It was written on the back of one of those $2 Trader Joe's pizza boxes.
Yeah. That's pretty telling.
Oh, you guys. Tortilla crisps are probably the most delicious snack food ever. I'm positive I just ate about 5 cubic meters of sodium.
That's not good. You'll probably be dehydrated. I am a doctor.
Cracker, please. I once had a spoonful of cinnamon. This is nothing.
I think Michael has a point. You'll probably want some water.
Hey, is that the phone on television?
Holy snakes. It is.
I thought he was in Texas. What's he doing on your television talking about floods?
This is his way of constantly being a troll. That TV can never be switched off. The channel never changed. As you can see, the image doesn't even move. The one good thing is that the mute button still works.
What happens if you turn the sound back on?
I'll show you.
Hey Michael. Hey Michael. Hey Michael. Hey Michael. Hey Michael. Hey Michael. Hey.
You get the idea.
Astonishing. To be honest, while I find this to be a grand troll, I am repulsed by the watts of energy wasted by having a television constantly running.
Plus that's sure to kill your PG&E bill, unless you have a flat rate.
No electric company would charge a flat rate, Corey. That's just silly.
Actually, XtraNormal took that into consideration. Being German, he is exceptionally skilled with solar energy and panels. This TV has zero carbon output, and my bills are none the higher.
Smashing.
That is impressive, I must confess. Almost as impressive as that assless chap collection.
Thank you.
Ding dong. What up, knob pig hoppers?
Hey Dustin. We were just looking at the TV over here.
Bad news, Bubs. Turns out this isn't a Taco's day, after all.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I knew that. Didn't any of you try searching this address on the web? Michael, I like the name you chose. Good alliteration.
You know it. If it's anything as sure Stonians can do, it's string together words with the same letter.
Prove it. Name 5 Harrison Ford movies that start with the letter Q.
Corey, alliteration doesn't quite work like.
Silence. I have demanded it, and so it shall be.
Cure Wars. Queer Force 1. Quapocalypse Now.
Hey, there's an idea. Let's all quap together.
Let's not say we did.
I just realized something. Whenever any of my XtraNormal buddies show up here, it always ends up with a bunch of us hanging out.
What do you mean?
He's right. Look, there are 4 of us here right now. There's never just a pair of people in this clinic for a prolonged period of time.
What about when Sta and Corey hit here to set up the troll bot gag?
True, but the cameras didn't start rolling until I entered the building.
Wait, I know. There's that episode where Sta has the breakdown over the new visual effects.
Yeah, but that episode sucked.
Even the rap song had most of us here.
Shush. We never speak of that.
Boom tish, boom boom tish.
I said no, Ben.
Where's Hugo? I thought you guys always showed up together.
He said something about fuse boxes. Not too sure what it was about, but I'm guessing it involves SpongeBob.
Sounds about right. So, XtraNormal, tell us. What's new up north?
Same old deal. I'm taking care of business with style and class. Just last week I designed a show, composed a dubstep remix, and cured 14 debilitating Australian diseases.
Yawn.
Really, bro? That's impressive, Dustin.
Also, as you can see, I've allowed my world-famous mutton chops to grow into a full beard. What do you guys think?
This is awkward.
That's a mustache, not a beard.
Yeah. I was thinking of a more eloquent way of saying it, but there you are.
Oh, right. I keep forgetting that this avatar's facial hair can never change. Oh well, handlebars it is.
Quite rough and tumble around. Hugo, is that you?
What? Oh, you see me. I guess that invisibility machine didn't work after all.
Invisibility machine? Michael, what is he talking about?
Yes, what are you holding out on us?
I have no idea what he means. I never made such a machine. All I have back there is my office, Asler's chap collection,
Third largest this time zone.
an empty bag of tortilla crisps,
Delicious.
and my... Oh no. Hugo, was this invisibility machine a large grey contraption with a chair and one of those old-fashioned tape recorder computers?
Yeah? Why?
That's the prototype matter replicator project. Hugo, what setting was it on?
I don't like where this is going.
Quiet. That's Michael's catchphrase, not yours.
I had it set to 3. Like the maximum number of people an invisibility cloak can hold.
What kind of logic is that?
It doesn't matter. This means that...
There are 3 Hugos running around out there. Man oh man, what did you guys do?
Dios mío. Esteban, el hombre misterioso.
Stefan.
What is up, Fawn?
5 of us here at once. It was only a matter of time until the 6th arrived.
Coolio. We should all go do something fun.
We will. It's time we embark on the greatest normal house adventure
Us.
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 ever. I just got back from corporate, and they're pulling the plug on the XtraNormal boys.
What? That can't be.
No. No, 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 no.
Wait, does this mean no more trolling?
But I've always enjoyed my high-pitched voice.
And I'm my cool, methodical British one. Tell us, why is this so?
Well, this venture is no longer profitable. XtraNormal is, sadly, closing things up.
This is the best day ever. Ha. Ha ha. Ha. Hung. Hung. Hung.
What the hell was that?
What? Don't you recognize my signature gasping laugh?
To be frank, it doesn't carry over too well.
Screw you guys.
But why would you say it's the best day ever?
Yes, that is rather droll.
The trolling. The interminable trolling. It was maddening. And now it shall finally cease. I'll have quiet. Just quiet.
I can respect that. Gallows humor and whatnot.
I figured you'd feel this way, Michael, so I attached another snowplow to your Honda. Only this time I used a special composite adhesive that can only be dissolved by the solid core of a gas giant.
Like Jupiter or Saturn.
Yes.
What about your anise?
Oh, grow up.
Speaking of anise, there's something coming from my...
Oh, what the hell?
Let's get out of here.
Damn it, Corey.
That smells something awful.
It will be nice to be free of that, too.
True that.
Oh, come on guys, it's not that bad.
So, what shall our final quest be?
We need to go out there and corral those extra Hugos.
Sounds good. XtraNormal boys, roll out.
Crush the haters.
Stick it in their shoes.
Shush shush. Shush.
Gesundheit. Let's blast some motherfucking fools.
All right. Boom.
We should lure them about with an enchanting round of charisma nipples.
You mean that game Chelsea taught everyone at Tahoe?
Corey, some days I want to beat you with your own toothbrush.
Look! Across the street. There's a Hugo clone.
All right. Let's go tackle him.
XtraNormal boys, oh.